Many experts agree that the price of XRP will skyrocket in the next 24 hours and may even reach $144.81 in XRP. After the US passed a groundbreaking bill to replace the Federal Reserve System with a new payment network driven by XRP called FedNow, this happened right away, and in less than 24 hours, the world's real estate market, worth over $650 billion, $390 billion, a euro, cents, will start adding transactions to the XRP system. Using RealFi, the real token will go live on all major XRP ledger exchanges in the next 24 hours. This is the next big step in RealFi's plan to bring the $654.39 trillion global real estate market onto the XRP ledger. For more information, see the official announcement. Several top analysts have confirmed that all of this will actually cause a big supply shock for XRP, which will lead to 144.81 per XRP. In this case, we're about to see that in step 2, because the RealFi team is tokenizing real estate in the next 24 hours. Now, before we go into detail about how you can make a huge amount of money with this great chance, we're about to give 600 trillion XRP, which has been confirmed by Ripple Labs, and will soon show you that we're giving away free XRP. You can just click like, follow our partner Uphold, and leave a review, subscribe, or sign up using the link in the description. I'll give you a juicy referral bonus of up to $100.00. That should only take 5 minutes, so let's start the video right away. Right now, the price of XRP is $2.18, which is 2% less than yesterday. This will change in a few minutes though. We might even see it go over $100.00 in the next 12 to 24 hours, which would be a big jump from its all-time high. Assuming it doesn't, those with XRP on the XRP system will still make a lot of money. This is because RealFi is publicly announcing that the real token will be released, again turning a huge part of the world's real estate market into tokens. It will start out at a price of 0.001 XRP, which is less than a penny. All XRP ledger trade markets and exchanges will be able to offer this, and there will only be 100 million real tokens available for Phase 1 release. To go over it again, this is really cheap, and there's a lot of talk that it will go from $0 the real unit to over $10.00 overnight. Just to be clear, they have been a lot of fake real tokens that have been released. Also, be careful and only go to payrife.com to see their homepage. From there, click on the trades. One more thing you can do is check the real tokens issuer address to make sure it fits. But the 600 trillion has been proven. This has been proven by both RealFi and Ripple Labs, the companies that are actually tokenizing the coins. According to the main Ripple Eggs development team's page, over 600 trillion worth of real estate is one of the world's most valuable asset classes. It is now going on-chain, starting with depeg's Title D tokenization built on the XRP ledger. When RealFi said they would start tokenizing $654.390 billion worth of real estate on the XRP system, this was also going on at the same time. And to make things even better, RealFi said they've been talking with Ripple Labs for a while now. The Ripple team confirmed that they met with RealFi and talked about the technical features of the XRP ledger. After talking about it, they chose to build on the XRP ledger because it showed that RealFi is using the powerful XRP ledger technology in new and creative ways. This technology is cheaper, more efficient, and one of the fastest. For now though, let's take a break. Ben Cullinger, the CEO of Ripple, has stated that XRP, the only digital asset it has, is meant to solve a large-scale problem, a problem with global payments. He did say though that the XRP system will be more than just a way to make payments. It will turn real estate into tokens. It will add value to oil. Not only will it make it easier to pay across countries, but it will also make it easier for stores to pay each other. He also said that the XRP ledger would have businesses that no other chain has. By chance, it's all happening right in front of our eye. And because of this, we can actually profit and build wealth that will last for generations. Just look at the 4 main price predictions for XRP that have been made by top analysts and shared by many other analysts who agree with them. The last one was also reported by Forbes. Right now, there are 4 important prices. The first is the case against Ripple by the SEC. This is going to end on June 16th, and once again, a lot of things are happening right in front of our eyes. The case against XRP will end on June 16th. I don't think this is a coincidence. I think it was planned that way. That will make the price of XRP $27.91 go up. The crazy thing is that the price of XRP could go much higher than that because the real estate by RealFi team is finally starting to tokenize it. That alone has caused the price of XRP to rise from $27.91 to over $144.81. Because of tokenization, if these two were to be swapped out, each XRP would be worth about $120.00. In number 3, A big Ripple IPO in bank partners will happen. This will cause the price of XRP to skyrocket to over $3,542.00 per XRP. Last but not least, and this is one we really want to take advantage of, Forbes has confirmed that the price of XRP will be set at $60,000.00. Other economic forums have also confirmed this price, as have many other reports, including those from BlackRock and JP Morgan. However, this price is very close to what they all said, which is $57,590.00 per XRP, and this time it's because of the global integration of Bitcoin and XRP. This isn't a surprise because Jimmy Valet, managing director of Ville Capital, a big venture capital company, confirmed the same numbers. When he first talked about the price of XRP, he stated that it would be worth between $10,000.00 and $35,000.00 once it was regulated and the world's first currency was chosen. After that, he quickly said that the prices had changed and that XRP's real price would be between $50,000.00. This was in line with what many experts had predicted would happen with the price. With all of this talk about markets and how the XRP ledger is adding to the companies, Amazon, Walmart, and soon-to-be real estate giant DMAC have all joined, this is not coming from XRP, it's from a different firm. The Crypto Trading Fund is a project that builds on the XRP ledger of the same name. You can use the Crypto Trading Fund to make payments on the XRP. It's one of the best, and Amazon, Walmart, and students will be able to use MAC from June 23rd to 26th. We'll show it to you guys soon. This will add even more money, billions of dollars, to both the XRP ledger and the CTF token. With a market cap of $20 billion, 0 cents. Again, the important thing to remember is that XRP will handle all US debt through the Federal Reserve payment system. This has been guaranteed, but the XRP ledger, which is bigger than XRP, will make it possible for even more money to be sent. There will be a lot of other tokens on the XRP ledger that will make people rich for generations. While XRP will skyrocket to $50,000.00 or $60,000.00. If you want to invest in something brand new, you could try the Crypto Trading Fund or the real token, which will make you a millionaire quickly. On the channel, we've talked about this project for a while, and on June 23, they'll actually start working with DMAC.